playing GTA because some of two minors who playing Roblox who's plotting to the shooting incident in what's that place in the San Jose National High School. That was a close of nephew of Ate Rona who studied there. Oh, that the incident was really happened. The two minors, they use a Glock 19 pistol and revolver. They shoot at the three individual like students. That is really a shooting incident compared in the US. Oh, at least Teacher Gio Malana and Teacher Kel were safe there in the US. There was a shooting incident. I hope they were not gonna die. I pray to Teacher Kel that Allah and God and Jesus and Prophet Muhammad to protect Teacher Kel and Eskel Penumbra. And even Teacher Gio Malana as well. That is really happened. There's a shooting incident in the US. Unlike here in the Philippines, like the two minors, they playing Roblox. They're playing Roblox because I know it's really violence. That's just like what happened in the San Jose National High School. I feel that I'm just gonna say Mark Cruz, Mark Domingo Cruz, I'm warning you, you need to stop playing GTA. Do you want to be happen to the two individual that they play GTA? And you calling me I'm Makarov? Mark Cruz, I'm not Makarov. You're pretending in the character in the Call of Duty Modern Warfare that I am Makarov. And then you are Soap. Who's Captain Price? Joshua Arroyo? What kind of person are you, Mark Domingo Cruz? Why you always playing GTA 5? You and Carl Bilus, you want to be happy to the two individuals for playing GTA? Look at Carl Bilus. He's not playing GTA anymore. Because his mother, Tita Mona Bilus, the reprimand Carl. Carl, not to play too much GTA, because it's really violence. And I know it's really too much violence. And Carl Bilus is going to play Sims 4. Just like Bill Galang. I know Carl Bilus is just like Bill Galang. He's playing Sims 4. You, Mark Domingo Cruz, you are just like the two minors for playing violent video games like Roblox in the cell phone. And you're playing GTA, Mark Cruz. What kind of person are you? Even Bill Galang had listened to me, even Jens Manaid. We warned Bill Galang not to play GTA. Because it will be affected his mental health to play that stupid immature video game like GTA San Andreas. But for Bill Galang, he already stopped playing GTA. He play Sims 4. In the PS4, he played Sims 4. Like me, Mark Cruz, I play Need for Speed in PS4. I play Call of Duty Modern Warfare in PS4. That's your favorite video game. And then you want to force me to throw me in the cliff? Just like Trevor in the GTA 5? Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna fix the shoes. Okay, I will continue my vlog. Because you're playing GTA, Mark Domingo Cruz. I'm telling you, Because your attitude anyway, you're playing GTA, you're playing Mobile Legends, because you're blaming at Jerick Silva, you cursing him a bad word. What did you say to Jerick? F word? Oh, and then you call me in Instagram, in threads, you call me an asshole word. Mark Cruz, you should be ashamed of yourself for playing GTA. At least the two minors were arrested. Oh, you know what happened in San Jose National High School in Tacloban. Oh, that was the former school of Aterona's nephew, that one of the teacher agency DIFI. Oh, because I know in San Jose National High School, that was a school of the nephew of Aterona. I just want to mention, you are realizing that two minors had used a real gun. It's not airsoft gun, it's a real gun also. The one of that was the teenager, the 14-year-old, that was a nephew from the police officer. And another one, it was the son of the security guard. Oh, why you always like that, Mark Domingo Cruz, for playing GTA? How many times I tell you, Mark Cruz? Jared and I, we are always repeating to Christian Miguito to advise Mark Cruz not to play GTA. Oh, just like I said before, you're playing GTA. Ang tigas ang ulo mo, Mark Cruz. You're always stubborn. You're not listening to your mother, that she said to you, oh, Mark, you need to stop playing GTA. Oh, you didn't listen. And you're forcing Christian Miguito to play GTA. Oh, Mark Domingo Cruz, have a shame of yourself. This is why Eliza De La Cruz and JD Sagala, they criticize you because you are a violence. You are just like similar of me. You are similar of Klaus. Or you're similar of that the tutorial, the one of the student there of Teacher May Tiburcio, named Zachary. I mentioned his name. Oh, because me playing GTA because of his violence. Oh, unluckily, like for example, like Jens Manaid and we warned Bill Galang not to play GTA. Oh, unlike Zachary, the tutorial of Teacher May, to play GTA because he was playing GTA because he likes violence. Oh, I am telling you, Mark Cruz, that GTA is violence. Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. Don't force Carl Bilus to play GTA. You are really making all those things that are really violence, really inappropriate. You and Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan for playing GTA, bomb threat, forcing me to throw me in the cliff, forcing me to drown me in a drop off like Rene Bartebonia and Divine Adili, which are not which is not really true, and that is really a nonsense. Mark Cruz, I am telling you in my YouTube video, in my content creator, I am not feel what you are saying. I feel better I could say, you need to borrow. Why did you using anything those kind of harsh words at me, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz? Just go, Mark Cruz, like I said before. If I'm telling you, ihinto mo yung paglalaro yung GTA na yan. Like I said, you know, it's really violence. If you're watching this, Christian Mengito, reprimand that your stupid friend. Reprimand that your imbecile friend, Mark Cruz. Can you just stop playing GTA, huh? Because of his violent video game? That's why Dan Mardayaw and Cedric Mariano, they're criticizing Mark Cruz for playing GTA. Oh, just like I was told by Cedric, oh, and even Dan Mar. Ganyan ba yan si Mark Cruz? Naglalaro ng GTA? Puro violente? Oh, it's like you play violence video games? And you're playing violence video games and playing violence anything? You are full of violence, Mark Cruz. And Dan Mardayo describe you, you are manipulative for playing GTA. Huh? You're playing GTA. You're forcing Carbilus to play GTA. This Carbilus had listened to his mother, Tita Mona, that Carbilus had already stopped playing GTA. He switched to play Sims 4. Oh, it's educational. Oh, and how's the livelihood living? Oh, even Carbilus is playing Need for Speed. Oh, unlike you, Mark Cruz. I even saw this in a TikTok video. He played GTA 5. I even saw his in Instagram that he cursed me a bad word in threads. He calls me an asshole. What kind of person are you, Mark Cruz, for playing GTA? Look at RM. Oh, he's not playing GTA. If I describe from J. Rick Silva, oh, RM, that kid, that was the son of Ate Mayang, that he's not playing GTA. RM is playing Roblox, oh, but he has a limitation. And during this school of RM, he do assignment. Oh. If I'm just saying to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, in my content video blog, even to those youth anyway, do not play GTA. It's also violence too, because at Roblox, it's really violence too. Oh, I mean, I'm as a video game advocating in my YouTube video. Oh, I'm not going to buy a PS4 game GTA. Oh, in the PS3, my brother also played GTA 5. Oh, he finished that game. Oh, but that time I don't play GTA. Oh, I play Need for Speed Undercover 2008. I play Call of Duty Ghost or Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. Oh, I play Call of Duty and Need for Speed. Even I play in the PS4 Call of Duty Modern Warfare Reboot 1 and 2 and 3. I play Need for Speed, Heat, Cars. Oh, I like racing cars. Oh, that's my hobby as a car enthusiast. Unlike you, Mark Cruz, if you're a video game enthusiast, stop playing GTA. I'm urging to all. I am calling out the family members of Mark Domingo Quason Cruz and his family members. Don't play GTA. Oh, it's not really good to play GTA. You know, I was told by Terra Francisco, I don't buy GTA. Oh, you know, I was told by Jens Manaid's parents, oh, Mr. Jaime Manaid, he said to me, oh, don't play GTA. Oh, that Jens' father had said to me I listen, no, I never play GTA. Of course, Jens Manaid's father was my second father too. Oh, name Jaime Manaid. Oh, Jamie Manaid. Oh, I said Jaime Manaid. I mentioned. Oh, Jaime, but Jamie is his daughter. Oh, um, I told that was his father of Jens Manaid. He told me in 2015. I was that time in the class with Teacher May. Or even 2016 or 2017 or 2018. He told me, oh, you should not play GTA. Oh, in the PS3. You should play anything games that you like. You like Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, or you like Need for Speed. Or you can play anything. Battlefield, or it's a good of military games. Or it's not violence. Oh, Call of Duty, military games, not violence. Oh, even Need for Speed. It's a car enthusiast. We can play any types of the video game like in PS3, Need for Speed Undercover or Need for Speed Rivals. I played it in the PS3. It's not violence. Oh, that issue anyway. That the imbecile guy, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, he has no morality. I am telling you guys, in my content creator and with my blog, oh, he has no morality. Even the spedmotics of Jerick Silva, they are angry at him. Oh, even my closest friends from my friends from CDIFI, or Nikki Miranda, or even Paul Matthew Somera and ASP, oh, they 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 are angry at him. Oh, you see, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, you're playing violence video games. Look at RP Macapagal. Oh, he never play a violence video game. Oh, he's watching news about TV Patrol, about Noli De Castro. Oh, look at Sir Paulo Cua. When he play WWE 2K25 in PS4, he wants that game also. He played WWE, oh, and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and Street Fighter, and Dragon Ball, oh. In all type of PS4 game he play, oh. He doesn't like violence. But this guy, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, is really violence. It's just like the tutorial of Teacher May, Zach, for playing GTA, violence. And he cursed me a bad word. Like he say about F word, he said about asshole word. What kind of person is he? This man is playing GTA. Oh, you see what really happened in Thailand? Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, the man who shot the taxi driver. For playing the pathetic video game GTA 4. GTA is useless game, Mark Cruz. That Grand Theft Auto. Oh, if I'm urging to all the youth, anyway, don't imitate the violence attitude of Mark Domingo Cruz. Even to my nephew Miggy Labitag or Matthew Timbal, don't imitate him. And even to everyone, even RM, Onyok, oh, don't imitate Mark Cruz. He's really a violent person, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. But right now, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz is in my enemy list. He's doing violence. That's why Luis Cabales doesn't like violence. Oh, Because if his attitude is violent, he's really a violent person. Oh, you see, Mark Cruz, ha? When you play violent video game, I will not tolerate your foul languages. If you cursing me a bad word, Mark Cruz, I will retaliate you. Or I will send it a screenshot, and I will tell the 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 lawyers, and also Joel Ferrer. I will tell to Joel Ferrer, the uncle of David Gill. I will tell to Dan Mardayaw. Oh, I will tell it to Kapitana Salonga. And I will tell it to Roylan Marlang. Oh, because Roylan, when he received a PS5, he never play violent video game. Oh, Roylan Marlang is playing in PS5 Gran Turismo only. He play. And even in all the video games platform that Roylan Marlang play in the PS5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare and Gran Turismo. Oh, it's not violence. Oh, JD Vinegas is not playing in PS5. Oh, like GTA. Oh, he playing Ghost of Tsushima. Oh, Japanese history that I was received that PS4 game from Kuya MA. Oh, that he never played violence video game. GTA, JD Vinegas, I talked to him, that was a former student of Teacher May. I messaged him, oh, JD Vinegas, oh, you should not play GTA, oh, you should play Ghost of Tsushima, oh, it's a Japanese history. You can play Red Dead, oh, that was in PS4 game, oh, he play it. He connected in the PS5, oh. But unlike you, Mark Cruz, when you play GTA in PS4, it's violence. Look at Bill Galang. Oh, when he play Sims 4, oh, just like Carbilus and Terra Francisco, he never play violence in GTA San Andreas in cellphone. Oh, because me and Jens Manaid, even Teacher Ruti Barrientos and Teacher Bea Belmonte, that was a friend of Teacher Kel or Teacher Chin, oh, we warn Bill not to play GTA San Andreas because it's violence. Oh, unlike you, Mark Cruz, in my content creator, in my YouTube blog, you're always playing GTA. Because you're playing GTA. I'm telling you, you're not listening to Christian Mengito. You're not listening to Juris Patrick Opecia. You're not listening to Jerick Silva. Even I. You're not listening